Welcome to 2345 Highwood Avenue East in Maplewood, just 5 minutes from Woodbury shops. We're in a home that is going to allow the next owner to pick out their cabinetry and all the flooring. This open concept area includes the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. To the right is a main floor bedroom where a lot of the remodeling equipment has been stored. And then through here is a master closet slash ensuite bathroom, which is huge. So you've got plenty of room in here for both a bathroom and a walk-in closet. And then to the right of the kitchen over here is going to be a multi-purpose room. Family room, I would call it. It opens to the deck and the beautiful backyard. And there's also the entry to the main floor, full bath to your left there. It's got a brand new tub in it. It's not really a blue tub. And then the backyard, come on out here and check this out. The deck is large. It's a half-acre lot in an established neighborhood where you can choose all your own cabinetry and fixtures for your bathrooms and the flooring. We're gonna pause here and then go upstairs next. Okay, here we are on the upper level of Highwood Avenue East. You've got a hallway with 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and a full bath. So the first bedroom over here has hardwood floors that could be refinished, and then a closet space, a couple of different closet spaces that could get built out. But mostly the budget calls for carpeting to be up here because some of the walls were rearranged. Here's bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, and that one walks through to this bathroom also if you wanted to go that way. That tub is actually not blue, it is just got the protective coating, and that's really the upper level. That's about it. So thanks for doing this tour. We hope that you are able to conceive of your own flooring, trim work needs to be done. You'll have about a $50,000 or $60,000 budget to work with to get a rehab loan and make this house your own. Thanks for taking the tour. We look forward to seeing you.